The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you Able Emoter. You'll need paper, pair of scissors, color pencils or crayons. Understanding emotions and knowing the right words to express feelings is very important for every child. This will help with social development as they grow older. Now let's learn about emotions and what they're commonly called. The activity has two parts. Part 1 is the prep. Draw a circle on a piece of paper and cut the circle with a pair of scissors. Please note that the circle should be big enough so that the child can hold it in the hand. Similarly, draw and cut a total of 8 circles of the same size. Then use a pen to draw expressions on these circles. On the back of these papers, write down the name of each emotion. For example, happy, sad, or angry. Now you are ready for the activity. Make sure you involve your child in every step of the prep. Part 2 is the activity. First, spread the emotion cards on a flat surface. Now ask the child to pick up one card on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Let them try to express the emotion they see on the card. If and when the child has trouble, help them. Do not push all the emotion cards at the same time. Go slowly with one emotion at a time. And share a small real-life scenario for better understanding.
How do you feel when you go to the park?
Happy.
How do you feel when I scold you?
Sad.
Bravo! You are now an able emoter. Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.